Stabilizing selection. Stabilizing selection is a type of natural selection in which genetic diversity decreases and the population mean stabilizes on a particular trait. An example of this is mice color in certain environments. This is a curve of white mice to brown mice color in an island. The extremes, white and brown, can be easily seen by predators, but the intermediate, that are the color of the sand, survive and proliferate. This causes stabilizing selection going towards the middle because the intermediate trait increases and the extremes are decreased in frequency, so these go down.
Directional selection is a mode of natural selection in which an extreme phenotypes causing the allele frequency to shift over time in direction of phenotypes. There are many examples such as being too tall or too short, or running fast or running slow. Well, today I'm going to talk about the height of the giraffe. For example, here we have two giraffes, one with a long neck and one with a short neck. The directional selection going to favor the one with the long neck because it's easier for that one to grab food from taller tree.
Disruptive selection. Disruptive selection are the changes in genetics within the population in which extreme values for a trait are favored over the intermediate. So therefore, the variation of the trait will increase and the population will separate into two distinct groups. A great known example for disruptive selection are with the English moths, the peppered moths. In the 1848, scientists discovered two colors of moths, one gray and one black. During the industrial era, the changes in moth correlation occurred at the same time that coal was becoming a major source of power in England. Unfortunately, the coal will burn and soothe into the air near London and disperse out onto the tree trunks, turning them from light gray to black. Unfortunately, this caused the white colored moths to be better seen by predators compared to the black moths with the black background of the tree trunk due to the coal color. In this example, pepper moth's case is an example of natural selection. In this case, changes in the environment cause changes in the characteristics that were most beneficial for survival.
Disruptive selection. Disruptive selection is when the extreme frequencies are favored over the intermediate frequencies. This is the opposite of stabilizing selection. So let's have an example where you have a purple bunny and a green bunny, and in the middle there is a yellow bunny. And this yellow bunny's frequency goes down because it can be seen more easily by predators, whereas the purple bunny and the green bunny can actually be seen, cannot be seen actually, because they blend into their environments. The green blends into the forest and the purple blends into the night. This causes the extremes to go up in fitness, while the allele trait and the intermediate goes down, causing this bimodal graph.